paper published at the end of 2024 by researchers at Oxford argues that this one fact exposes a fundamental limit in what AI can actually do, and I don't think it's fixable by throwing more compute or more data. And to understand this better, let's go back to 1903 to North Carolina. Every serious scientist agreed on one thing: human-powered flight was impossible. The physics wouldn't work. There was a lot of data supporting this, and the so-called scientists and experts of that time, they ran the numbers and they agreed on that conclusion. But then these two guys came into the picture, the Wright brothers. They didn't care about the impossible or the experts. They believed flight was possible despite everything pointing the other way, and that belief, it gave them motivation, a theory for them to test and disprove. And they broke the problem down. They ran their own experiments. They did their own stunts to generate data that no one had before. And 9 weeks after the most public failed flight attempt in history, the Wright brothers got on their home-built plane and flew it perfectly in the sky. The researchers of the paper call this data-belief asymmetry. Your belief runs ahead of the evidence, and instead of pulling it down to match what the data says, you use it to go create data that doesn't exist yet. Starting with the belief, to a theory, to doing the experiment, to actually generating new knowledge out of it. And that loop is where every genuine breakthrough comes from. The paper describes LLMs as a powerful creative imitation engines.